Okay, y'all. So today we got featuring a sick driver woman, or where she doing her thing. So go ahead and tell everybody your name.
I'm Faith Van Buren.
All right. And how long have you owned the car?
About 4.5 years.
4 years.
On 5 years.
And how often you drive it? Because we were just talking about this. How often you driving on the track?
It's my daily car for the most part, but on the track maybe twice a year. So I'm trying to get out here more just to do better.
Right.
Represent for women out there.
Most definitely. That's why we're doing the feature, man. Because she behind the wheel. There's not a lot of women that get behind the wheel or whatever. And now, any modifications you done to the car you care to share, or you try to keep it secret?
I call it stockish. You know, the normal stuff that you can see on the outside.
Right. Okay. All right, so we're gonna take y'all out there. Y'all gonna see her behind the wheel doing her thing and everything. You got any social media you want people to follow you?
Mullis Camp. So either Mullis Camp Racing or Mullis Camp Nitrous. That's where you can follow.
Right. Go check them out, y'all. Go shop. Those my people, man. Good set of guys. Go check them out. So y'all stay tuned.
But if you do it again, then you got a problem. And that'll settle that way, right? Leave it alone. You know, don't get upset for no good reason. That's not a good reason. Don't do that. But if you did that, treat that tell if you know he was, look, I don't appreciate you there looking at my motor, because I don't care y'all good with it. You know, if you want to see my motor, you have out there. You can stop there, don't do it. And then walk away from that, man. Something shit.